Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Happn application using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've recently logged out of your Happn account on your mobile device and you'd like to log in back again, then first tap open your Happn application. You'll be able to see the first interface, which looks like this. You'll get to select one of the options over here displayed on the screen. You can either continue logging in with your Facebook, with your Google account, or if you've registered with your mobile number during signing up, tap on Use My Phone Number. But make sure to select the same option that you used for signing up for Happn Dating app. Now, in my case, I signed up using my Google account, so let me tap on the Continue with Google option. Soon after you do that, accept to the terms and services or privacy policy of the application by tapping Accept. Choose an account that you would like to log into Happn account with, and that way you'll be able to log in to Happn online dating app. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.